Hi, it's Jennifer. I am back with another video. I have a couple ideas on how we can use our Easter eggs that we have left over. This egg I filled with some pinto beans and I put them inside. I hot glued them and put them together. If you don't have hot glue, you can just use tape so that they stay together. I have a video up of Lori Berkner singing I Know a Chicken that you can find on YouTube. And I have my helper who is going to show us how we use our shaky eggs. Go ahead and unzip that bag using that nice fine motor and bilateral skills to get that open. I'll take a couple please so I can sing with you. Oops. Yeah. Perfect, thank you. And you pick a couple. All right. And you're gonna zip that back up. Perfect. Great. All right, you ready?
Ready.
Here we go.
Oh, I know a chicken.
I know a chicken.
She laid an egg.
And she laid an egg.
Yeah, I know a chicken.
I know a chicken.
She laid an egg.
And she laid an egg.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my goodness.
It's a shaky egg.
It's a shaky egg.
Now shake them fast.
Fast. I know a chicken. And she laid an egg.
Yes, I know a chicken.
I know a chicken.
She laid an egg.
And she laid an egg.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my goodness.
Shaky egg.
It's a shaky egg.
Now shake them slow.
No.
You know how it goes. Shake them slow. Because you know it goes. And shake them fast. Oh, I know a chicken.
I know a chicken.
She laid an egg.
And she laid an egg.
Yes, I know a chicken.
I know a chicken.
And she laid an egg.
And she laid an egg.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my
It's
goodness.
a shaky egg.
It's a shaky egg.
Now shake them in a circle.
Circle. With one hand, tricky. Good.
Now shake them up and down.
Oh, two hands.
I know a chicken. And she laid an egg. She laid an egg. Yes, I know a chicken.
I know a chicken.
And she laid an egg.
And she laid an egg.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my goodness. I hope you have fun with this game. There are lots of things that we can work on. Direction, follow the leader, high and low, range of motion. Hope you find this fun. Stay safe and wash your hands.